Often over the waves in the town, far out of the way. In his mind he's already made it. He's daft but always elated, and heard he's tipping away somewhere off away in the clouds I shine. He was a kid telling tall tales, he's probably still telling tall tales. He has one thing on his mind and it calls to him like a siren. His head is always a ways offshore after something that he begged God from. Day darkens and so does the road. Not all fortune, silver and gold. No, tell me if I want heaven to hold. 'Cause here there be monsters, but that's just from what I've been told. The spot on the map, but lost a kid on the way to the map. Now tell me now where you're digging for gold, or digging yourself in the hole. Now tell me now, where's the head in the clouds? Now tell me now, where's the bright-eyed lad? Now tell me now, where's the kid telling tall tales? Day darkens and so does the road. Not all fortune, silver and gold. Now tell me if I want heaven to hold. 'Cause here there be monsters, believe that, just trust me, I know. And I catch a glint in my mind, and she calls to me like a siren, saying, how'd you get so far? Often over the waves in that town, entirely fake. In his mind he should be elated. Now don't tell me that you're jaded, lad. Heard he's tipping away somewhere, probably telling his tall tales and doing the job that he begged God for. Don't be forgetting to thank God for.